Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? I hope everybody doing good out there. Hope everybody grinding. I just finished a little workout. About to just do this little quick cash out video, and about to take a shower, start my night. All right. So people, on an everyday basis, you want to grind, you want to push, and you want to do what you got to do to get things done. All right. Just videos right here, a little special to me because I haven't paid my phone bill. I just realized that I haven't paid a phone bill without free PayPal and maybe like 3 years. It's probably like in 3 years. Maybe it might be 4 years now. All right, so free PayPal I'm using to pay my phone bill. I know what you're saying. It's only your phone bill, whatever. $50 a month times 12, $600 a year, 100% free. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, my system is like, it's not here to, like, I don't know how to manifest to make thousands and hundreds of dollars yet. Like, I'm learning that. I got some things on the side that is kind of working, but I just want to make sure I could get everything working and explain to you as easy as I do with my free online money maker. All right, it's the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to start a new channel. I'm going to have all paid content, and it's going to be as far as like making big money. $50 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day, like that, like big money. All right, but you're going to have to, invest in things like that, but I want to be able to do it to where I could explain to anybody, just like my free online money maker channel. I want to be able to explain to everybody and explain to anybody with internet access that you can do it and you actually do it and get the results. That's the same thing with my free online money maker. All right, so right now, I'm about to jump into my two of my sites right now. OfferNation. I got OfferNation. I got SuperPay right here. All right, let me just go to my OfferNation just to show you a couple things right here. My points converter. I'm about to convert my points into cash. So right here, when you add this up right here, 2,541 points. That's $25.41. $25.41. All right, $3.10 here. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is take $20 from here, and I'm gonna take $30 from here. And it's gonna be $50, and it's gonna be I'm gonna transfer that to my PayPal. I'm probably gonna take 51 each because I think it's a 2% PayPal fee. So I'm gonna take 31 out of here, 21 out the other one, put it into my PayPal, and pay my phone bill. All right. So like I said, people, every single day you grind and figure out different ways. Like, the phone bill is not crazy; it's only $50 a month, right? But $600 a year, that adds up. $600 anytime anytime we over 500, that's some money right there. That's over half a grand, 100% free, people. All right, so like my YouTube channel, everything I do generate well over $50 a month, so I'm paying that phone bill. Every month I'm paying that phone bill. Here you go. All right, they just hit me with the notification I got to pay the bill, so I'm like, oh, all right, I was about to just pay it, but I'm thinking in my head, let me just cash out and pay it with that. Why would I just pay it with my money? Why not pay it with free online money maker or free PayPal? Right? Why not? So that's what we're about to do right now, people. All right, so let's convert these points, and like I said, I'm gonna after I cash this out. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial for you guys. Like I said, people, watch my in-depth tutorials. People, watch my in-depth SuperPay tutorial. And when you sign up to these sites, do not sign up to these sites at the same time. Sign up to one, right? Use my link in the description, get the bonus, sign up, learn how to use it, actually use it and make some money coming in, have some money coming in, right? Start cashing out. Once you get used to it, then you jump on this site. All right, then you jump on OfferNation and do the same exact thing you're doing on SuperPay. All right, not obviously the same exact, but you're gonna do the surveys here. You're gonna do offer walls. You're gonna do the same thing on OfferNation, and now you're doubling your money because you have two money makers now. You got two money makers. Hopefully, you're recording and sharing your content that's on YouTube. So now you got three money makers. All right, all these three money makers not gonna make you money every single day right now. All right. Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, if you come on here, you go on OfferNation, you start grinding, yeah, you can make your $5, $10 a day, but it's not going to be like crazy, big, life-changing money. Not yet. You got to keep building on it. Then later, you're going to get referrals. You're going to get surveys that's higher paying surveys because you've always been banging out surveys. So it's always levels to this, all right? It's just all about you in your spare time. Why not put some free money in your pocket? All right, so like right now, let's just cash this out real quick. I'm already on my points converter. I got $3 here. I want it to be 21, right? So I'm put 18. I think it's 1800.00. So it should be 1800 points equals $18. So 1800 points is $18. Same way as 2100 points is $21, right? So 798 here is $7.98. Okay? So I'm gonna let that sit and sizzle, and then once this gets to $10, $20, I'm gonna cash this out again and just keep doing it over and over. It's free online income, people, every single day. The sites that I work are trust proven, facts, like results. Like I show you guys, I had hundreds of dollars in these accounts before just sitting here on a free site. This site could shut down at any moment and just be like, all right, we're changing up everything. Left hundreds of dollars in here, sitting in here. Why? Because I already know I trust this site. I've been using this site since day one. It's never did me wrong. So why not, right? So like I said, these sites are trustworthy. They do work. I show you proof, facts, results every single day, all right? All right, so here we go. Put in the points. Oh, we already did that. So now we got to go to withdraw. We'll go back to rewards, go to withdraw cash. And then you're going to scroll down. Always do instant PayPal. It's so much faster. Instant PayPal. Now, let me pause this video, log into my PayPal just to show you it's on 0. And it's just to show you it's going to be off of 0 in like not even 2 minutes. Watch this. All right. As you can see, I'm all logged into my PayPal account. 0. I always keep my, I told you guys, like once you learn how to invest, you learn how to grind, you know how to kick, you know how to push, right? Like you're super nosy, right? You're always like, you're always trying to figure it out. There's going to be no money here. Why? Because I need to figure stuff out. I need to buy a book. I need to buy a course. I need to save this up to $300 to go buy another course or to go buy some ads, right? Or to anything. Like I'm on it constantly. Why? Because I know I'm going to stumble on something. I'm going to stumble on something. It's going to work and we're going to be able to take over. All right, back real quick. Little man just walked in acting up. Had to pause the video. All right, so as you can see, guys, right here. Let me move my let me move this up real quick. All right, see, look. So that was the pay view points right here. All right, came in August 30th. Transferred it immediately to my Bancorp Bank is PayPal debit card. All right, so this is the PayPal debit card. Transferred it right there. All right, then went to the ATM, pulled it right out. $60 right in my pocket. So you gotta understand the power of this, right? Gotta understand that if you need this, look, gas, fill up your gas tank. And you got a whole tank of gas for free that you ain't have to spend your 9 to 5 money to go get. And you're using it to go to your 9 to 5. And it's free though. So you gotta understand how this starts to compound. So now when you get paid, and you get your check and you're paying stuff, now you're looking like, oh, I got extra money hanging over. Yeah, that's because of this. You see what I'm saying? That's because of this. So you gotta understand you can use it in small ways, or like I said, you don't got no ways to use it, or you just thinking like, man, I need to just let this balloon, I need to let this just build, stack up. Let it stack up. Let it stack up. You know what I'm saying? But you want to cash out every single day, so you get that rhythm. All right. All right. So let's jump back into go back to OfferNation first. Now you're gonna see that it's gonna be not even in 1 minute, and it's gonna be in the PayPal. That's why I love instant PayPal withdrawal. One click of a button, $21.86 straight to the PayPal. All right. Now let's just do a countdown. Once this stops right here, let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if it takes less than 6 seconds. Refresh. Let's see how instant it really is. And if it's not here, I'm just gonna keep. There it goes. If it wasn't there, I was gonna keep hitting refresh. So as you can see, it's less than 10 seconds for the cash out. You can rewind the video. You can see it's less than 10 seconds for the cash out. I clicked it and I went here and I came here. It's here. Less than 10-second cash out. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like the sites that I use is trustworthy. It took me 9 months. It took me 8 to 10 months, around 9 months, to figure out what's going on. Like I used to be doing this every single day, making 25 cents, making $1 a day every single day. That's it. And I used to be like, yo, this can't be it. Like, what do I have to do to figure out? So once you start learning and once you start diving into things, your brain and your brain's gonna start working like, all right, I gotta figure this out. You know what I'm saying? So now, $21.42, easy. And the reason why I don't use these other sites, because these other sites don't do this. This is what I'm trying to help you guys. These other sites don't do this. Other sites don't let you accumulate money on there and cash out instant PayPal every single 24 hours. Every single 24 hours you can cash out. So it's up to you to put the work in. You put the work in, you can cash out $20 every single day, $600 a month. So it's up to you. It's like, what are you really trying to do? You know what I'm saying? You share your link. You get more referral earnings, so you add all this up. This is what I've been doing, just adding everything up, letting it build, and just using it to invest in myself and just keep grinding, all right? So we're going to go Super Pay right now. Same thing with Super Pay. We're going to go to rewards. Let me put my picture back there. I'm going to put, let's go to convert points to cash. And you see I got minus 28 cents balance. Usually what happens is when this happens, it's like a referral did something. Like a referral did like one out of... It was like a ongoing survey. They had to do 3 parts of the survey. So they probably did 2 parts, right? They pay me for the 2 parts, but you're only going to get paid if they complete the whole 3 parts. So they pay me for the 2 parts. They didn't finish the 3rd part, so then they take out the money. You see what I'm saying? So then the money comes back out. So that's the only reason why it is minus 28. They probably overpaid me for a survey too fast. They didn't do the survey. People didn't complete the survey, so they took the money back. All right, but this was minus 28 when I cashed out too. All right, so when I cashed out, it came out to minus 28 with the way I had cashed out. All right, so it all depends on your points, but it's never a high point. Don't ever think about this is 28 cents. Don't ever think about this like it's gonna be like $5 where $8 where you negative 8, 9. Never like that. It's always just cents and like just small cents. All right, so don't ever be alarmed by that. All right, but that's just how it is. Sometimes they'll pay you for your referrals earlier, like too early. They'll give you more. They'll credit your account. They'll credit your account, and then the referral was supposed to log back in and finish the survey in 2 days. They never did, so they take the money back out. You see what I'm saying? All right, so go ahead from worst place to cash. I need $31. So I'm gonna just take out the whole thing. Let's just take out the whole thing. 32,300.79. Let's just take out the whole thing. I don't think I did that right. Oh, I did do it right. All right, so $32 right here. All right, so we're just gonna cash out the whole thing. Leave this on 0. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a super paid tutorial, people. All right, not an OfferNation, super paid tutorial, people. All right, this is what I'm trying to help you guys like get on a different basis. First step you want to go to top surveys and offers. All right, you want to go top surveys and offers. Your surveys pays the most. And where's my third one? Where is my third one? Say so. All right, always do say so online surveys, your surveys, right, and top surveys and offers. Always stay with those 3. Bang those out. When you see you can't complete no more of those or there's no more available, that's when you start diving into all these other survey sites. All right, that's when you start diving into all of them. All right, offer walls. You want to stay with Peanut Labs. All right, Peanut Labs is good. And where's my other one? Super Pay Offers is good also, and Wanna Ads. All right, so those 3, stay with those and just keep doing. Offer Turo is good too. All right, so this only reason I'm telling you that this is what I used to use. This is what I used to get my $5, $6, $8 every single day on each site. I used to be getting $3, $4 on each site. I used like 10 sites, 14 sites. I used to just be every day. So I'm just showing you and telling you what I used to use. All right, on an every single day basis. Use those, and you should be fine. Those six pointers right there. Like I said, watch my other super pay videos. I'm in depth, in detail, 30-minute, 40-minute videos, explain everything step by step, piece by piece. All right, but for the most part, if you don't know how to do surveys, type in how to do surveys. Watch one of my videos. All right, I got so many videos on teaching you how to do surveys, exactly what to put in your profile, how to answer the questions, why you get kicked out the surveys, what to do when you get kicked out the surveys, what to remember on the questions, because once you start doing this, they're going to ask you the same questions over and over and over. There's been times I've been doing it. There's been times I've done the same survey in a day, the same exact survey in a day, like 4 or 5 times. The same one, like the same exact one. You see what I'm saying? So the money is here. It's absolutely free. All right. So let's same thing with this. Let's go to rewards. Let's go to withdraw cash. And we're going to bang this out real quick. Same thing, people. Instant PayPal. This is why I use these sites. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Like, this is why I use these sites, because you guys always have to, you have to know what works. This works. I've been using it for 3, 4 years. This works. Just leave it in there. Let it build up. Let it sizzle. Only reason it's not going crazy and I'm not making $100, $200, $300 a day on this, because I got different things I'm doing. I'm not putting all my eggs in this basket. I got different plans, businesses, different side hustles that I got going. So I'm not going to just dive all into this. But if I didn't have anything, I would dive all into this. When I first started doing this, this is what I did. Dove into this, doing videos every day, getting referral earnings every day, sending out my link every day, posting every day, buying ads every day. That's what I was doing. Letting it build, letting it kick up. Not a lot of money, but you know, I'm letting it kick up. All right, so let's go back to PayPal, hit refresh, and the money should be here. That'd be less than 10 seconds. There he goes. Boom. So $52.80 in my account that had $0 in it in 10 seconds, 20 seconds put together. All right. So it's free online money maker. This is why I do these videos, people. I'm really trying to help you out. Proof, facts, results. The links are in the description. Use the links your first time watching this video. Use the link. Sign up with my link, right? You're going to get a bonus. Then go back and watch my old videos, people. All my videos have merits. That's why I don't erase none of my videos. Watch my old videos. Watch videos from 2 months ago, 6 months ago. 5 months, they still relevant, and they're more in-depth in detail because I was in the mix more. Like I was more into it every day. You know what I'm saying? So I got better details and a whole better tips and tricks on there on how to get this money every single day faster. All right, free online money maker. Do what you got to do in your spare time and get this money. Free online money maker signing out.